subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has officially launched its new affordable smartphone in India under Y series called Vivo Y33s. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y33s supports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 90.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of RAM that can be expanded up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y33s features a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 with FunTouchOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it offers Ultra Game Mode plus Multi-Turbo 5.0 features for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.26 by 76.08 by 8mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y33s has been priced in India at 17,990 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in mirror black and midday dream color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y33s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.